Hey guys, don't move a step. Just wait. Let me show you exactly how you can make over $1,470,000 online just by typing captures. All right, don't move a step. Just stay with me. I will show you exactly how I was able to make this from protypers.com. Okay, protypers.com. This is a website where you make money from just by typing captures. All right, so it's as easy as that, and there's nothing hard about it. Yourself, you can be able to make over 1,000 or even $2,000. All right, so what you're going to be doing now is just to head over to our our channel, click on the subscribe buttons and get subscribed, like hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified each time we drop new content. All right, so that's the best thing you can do for yourself. Not like you're helping yourself and you're helping yourself also. All right, so you'll be able to learn exactly how to make money online. On Easy Web Tutorial, we teach people how to make money online the easiest way without committing suicide. All right, so what you should understand here is you will be able to make exactly 1,470.94 cents if you are serious, just the way we did. All right, so this is something very simple and something you can also earn money from. All right, it's so easy. Which sent me the money, which is pro typers. All right, so you just have to go to protypers.com. All right, so you can earn easy job, easy money. All right, so earn typer credit worth over $200 every month. All right, so I was like, it's not something limited to you making only $200 per month. You can make more than this. All right, you can actually make more than this depending on your work rate. All right, so this is dependent on your work rate. All right, so prototypes is a conglomerate of data entry specialists. All right, so they work primarily on converting scanned document from images to text for initialization. Or all right, so for institutions, in all corner of the world. This is their website. This is what I do actually. Right, so the prototypes is ideal for mothers that stay at home. All right, so if you're a stay at home mom, you can do this. Parents that need a second job. All right, so even student, people that are in between jobs. All right, so you have this job, you have the other job, you can just do this online, since you can just handle it on your leisure time. Like in your leisure time, you can do this. All right, so you'll be able to do this and make over $1,470.94 just like I made. All right, so that payment was actually sent to me on the 22nd of February, right? 22nd of this month. All right, so which is February, right? So yourself, you can make it. So clicking on the sign up button, all you need to do is just to input your email address, you choose the password, you put your name, and you choose the payment type. All right, so the payment type I would advise you to do now, to pick now, is the PayPal. All right, so that's the PayPal I use and I was sent that money. Okay, you can choose other payment method, but the PayPal is the recommended here. All right, so you should also take note of their warning and discussions they are taking there. Right, so just take note of these things so you have to don't fall victim, because whatsoever you use can never be changed afterward. They cannot be changed afterwards, so just pay attention to this stuff so that you don't make mistakes. All right, so for here, you got to read everything here, then you click on the, or you just tick it, then you verify that you are not robot, then you click on the register account. All right, so with that, you are good to go. All right, so now we are supposed to head over to the second one. All right, so this is second one, which is called something like Peace Profit. All right, peaceprofit.com. Here, for the moment, I personally haven't tried this, but after making vast research, I was able to come up with this. All right, so people were making money from this, but for the moment they are not active and they're not working for the moment. All right, but in subsequent time they're bouncing back and held, like they're bouncing back. All right, so but for the moment this site is not working. All right, so they are not working for the moment, and in subsequent time you will be able to work with them. All right, so let's just head over to megatypers.com. Megatypers.com are like pro typers. They almost work hand in hand, like they're almost the same. All right, so you have the same thing you have on pro typers. They're almost the same, like I said earlier. They're almost the same with same terms and conditions, everything. All right, so it's more or less like it's subsidiary to pro types. All right, so they are more or less like a subsidiary to Pro Typers, and you have to input your name, your email address, password. Then you choose your payment method, which is PayPal, the recommended name. So from that, you head over to the last one, alright, so which is fasttypers.org. Alright, so this same website is more or less like face profit. They are almost the same as well. Alright, so the two websites out of these three, out of these four I have mentioned, is the Pro Typers and the Mega Typers. These are the two most important websites you can make money online just by typing captchas. Alright, so on those two websites you can be so serious that you can make up to the 1470.94 cents that I made. Alright, so in case you're new to the channel and you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's important to us. Alright, so just subscribe so that you get notified each time we drop new content. Please subscribe.